Okay, my algebra students, we have reviewed this in class many times. So let's see what you remember. Solve and graph these 4 problems for me, please. Then turn me back on. Okay, so we're going to divide both sides by 3. So x is greater than 2. Here we're going to divide by -2. And if you remember, whenever you multiply or divide by negative, you switch the inequality. Now, or is wherever they're shading. So this is smaller than -2. And this is greater than 2. Here, this one, add 10 to all 3 parts. So plus 10, plus 10, plus 10. So it'll be less than 50. Now we're going to divide everything by 2. Now, whenever you have this, it means I want all the numbers between 20 and 25. So you'd put 20, 25. There's your answer. So this one, whenever you have variable inside absolute value, you have 2. You have 2. You have 1, 2. You have 2 parts to break it up into. So we would add 9. Divide by 3. So x is bigger than 7. Here, subtract 9. So you have -3x is greater than 3. Divide by -3. And whenever you multiply or divide by negative, you switch the inequality. So you have bigger than 7 and smaller than -1. So here 6 minus x is less than or equal to 12. And, because less than, absolute value is less than, is and. Take the opposite. So here I'm going to subtract 6. Divide by -1. Here I'm going to add 6 and I am done. So it would be between -6 and 18. There's equals, so solid dots. Solid dots. That's it. Okay, this one you couldn't see. So again, 1/2 x plus 1 is equal to 10. Then the opposite. So -1/2 x minus 1 equals 10. So I'm going to subtract 1 and then multiply by 2. Here I'm going to add 1. Multiply by -2. So you have -22 and we have 18. No shading because there's no inequality. Now, find the equation of line and slope-intercept form. So stop the video and do these 4, or at least try to, and then come back online. Okay, whenever you're given a slope and y-intercept, use slope-intercept. mx plus b. b is 7. And we want it in slope-intercept form, so we're done. Hey, that was easy, Mr. Murphy. Oh, my goodness. So this one, you have a point and a slope, so we're going to use point slope. y minus 2 equals 6, x minus 3. So y minus 2 equals 6x minus 18. So we're going to subtract y and add, no, we're going to solve for y, I'm sorry. Almost lost a minute. We're doing slope-intercept at the end. So I'm going to add 2. Y equals 6x minus 16. So this one, y minus 7 equals negative 2x minus 5. So y minus 7 equals negative 2x plus 10. So add 7, y equals negative 2x plus 17. Here, solve for y, start over. Find the slope is what I'm trying to say, and I'm not saying it too well. So it'd be 10 minus 4 over 6 minus 3. So it'd be 6 over 3 is 2. Now I'm going to use the slope 2 and a point and put it in point slope. I'm going to do 3, 4. So it'd be y minus 4 equals 2x minus 3. So it'd be y minus 4 equals 2x minus 6. Add 4 to both sides. Y equals 2x minus 2. Now find the equation in standard form. The first half of the problem is done exactly the same way. So go ahead and see if you can figure these out and then turn me back on. Okay, so slope-intercept, y equals half x plus 7. Oh no, standard form, you're not allowed to have fractions. So I'm going to multiply by the LCD. So it'll be 2y equals x plus 14. So to get into standard form, I'm going to subtract x. So we have negative x plus 2y equals 14. Here we got a point in the slope, so y minus 4 equals 3x minus 2. So y minus 4 equals 3x minus 6. So I'm going to subtract y and add 6. Get the numbers by themselves and the x and the y by themselves. So this one, find the slope. So 6 minus 4, it's always changing y on top. Changing y on top. Over 2 minus 3. So 2 over negative 1 is negative 2. Could do 3 fourths, so y minus 4 equals negative 2x minus 3. So y minus 4 equals negative 2x plus 6. So add 2x, add 4, we get 2x plus y equals 10. Hey, well that was fun. We're getting closer to the end. Doo-doo.